Hi everyone, this is Meredith with Organic Lines Art and Design. And today we're going to be doing some fun bilateral drawing, Halloween style, by creating our own spooky little bookmark. Thank you for joining me, and let's go ahead and get started.
All right, so for bilateral drawing, you don't need much. You just need some things to color with. You need some paper, and I have some washi tape here to hold my paper down onto my work surface. And washi tape is like paper tape, so it peels up pretty easily, but it holds things in place for you. I also have my little bookmark that I'm going to trace to create the size of the bookmark that I'd like to make. All right, so there is no right or wrong way to do the bilateral drawing. You're not really looking for what the results end up like. This is just to practice a little mindfulness and exercise using both parts of your brain in order to reduce some stress and basically just kind of have fun with some markers or crayons or whatever it is that you're using. So if you don't like the results, it's okay. Just flip your paper over and try again and keep going until you find something that you like or until you're feeling a little less stress. So the first thing you're going to do is just put a marker in each hand, and that is how you're going to draw. And your strokes don't have to mimic each other. It's okay if they can. There is really no right or wrong thing that you're creating. You're just doing this as a stress reducer and as a benefit for your creativity and open-mindedness. I think this looks really good. So I'm stopping before I go too far, and I'm gonna go back in and maybe add a couple more solid areas, just using the shapes that were created with all the line work. And then I'm gonna fold it over, trace my bookmark, and then add some other spooky Halloween details, since this is our Halloween bilateral drawing bookmark. So now that you have a bookmark, you still have a bunch of bilateral drawing left. So you could make another bookmark for your friend.
So this is part of our bilateral drawing that we then turned into our bookmark, our Happy Halloween bookmark. So I hope you enjoyed creating your own bilateral art and continue to follow me with Organic Lines Art and Design. Happy Halloween!